Hey, what's up YouTube? It's RrickyTechHD here today. In today's video, we're going to talk about the AirPods Pro. It's been over 2 years now. Are they really worth it? Let's get it.
Have your attention. I'd like to make sure that your seatbelts are fastened.
Yeah, so it's been over 2 years since the AirPods Pro released, and I know some of you guys have the question whether to buy them as at 2022 or probably going for the 3rd gen version that was released last year. Well, I'll be answering this question in a bit, but fast forward. Talking about the design of the AirPods Pro, I think it looks pretty compact with a shorter stem, and it comes with a silicone ear tips that point inward for better audio quality, which actually comes in 3 different sizes. You have the medium, the large, and the small, depending on the user. For those who have used this product, you know how much this pretty works. The design, it helps it to fit perfectly in the ear depending on every ear type. So depending whether you have a small ear hole, a large ear hole, or medium sized ear hole, Apple got you covered on that one. That makes it a good companion for listening to music, for a longer period of time, and those of you who like to work out when listening to music. Yeah, and it is also rated IPX4, which is basically water and sweat resistance. Not large amounts of water, like basically droplets of water. So working out, the little sweat, and maybe during rainfall, some few splashes of water, that's basically not a problem for you when you're using it. And it comes with this portable compact charging case. In comparison to other wireless headphones in the market, I think some of them have very large charging case, and I think that's one major thing people look out for when buying these things. But the AirPods Pro, I think Apple nailed it on the design of the charging case also, and it also supports wireless charging, just that it lacks magnets in it, which makes it stick onto its charging pad when using the wireless charger. But this is not a big problem to look out for, because most of the users are going to be using the lightning cable to charge it, so that is not even a problem to consider in the first place. Alright, moving on to the battery. The AirPods Pro has very good battery life considering its form factor and size. I think Apple really played their cards very well on this one, because achieving over 4 hours of battery usage on a single charge, and with the case you achieve over 24 hours on a full charge with the case. I think that is very good for an average user. Probably maybe not everyone, but in general I think it's very good. So considering the battery life of this device, I think it's a good deal when you buy this. So what makes the AirPods Pro a pro device? Basically, it's the active noise cancellation and transparency mode on this device, and Apple nailed it on this one. With the active noise cancellation, your background noise is completely eliminated, and this is achieved using the 2 microphones on the device, the inward facing microphone and the outward facing microphone. So basically, the microphone adjusts in a way to block out all incoming sounds in your background. This adjustment is done 200 times per second, so therefore its effectiveness is superb on this one. And with the transparency mode, it's quite like the opposite of this. It allows incoming sound to penetrate so that you can hear surrounding sound. Apple nailed the execution of these modes on the device. Also, this device is equipped with the Apple H1 chip, which is responsible for all your software functionalities, including pairing with your iPhone, your iMac, and other Apple devices. It can also be used as a Bluetooth device for an Android phone, but the software functionalities will be limited. But I don't think that is a major concern, because most of the users are looking out for the audio quality, and if you want to buy it as an Android user, I think it's a good thing to buy, but you have to bear in mind that your software functionalities are going to be limited. So moving on to the big question, is this really worth buying in 2022? Yeah, for me it's a yes. because with active noise cancellation and transparency mode, unless you are someone who doesn't care about those features, then you can opt out for the AirPods 3rd Gen, which was released last year. That is going for $180, and this is $250. So if you are someone who really cares about those functionalities, I think the best deal for you is getting the AirPods Pro. So that will be it for the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you have any thoughts, let me know in the comment section down below. Until we meet in the next video, peace.